Safari Profiles, how to set up and manage. How to set up a Safari profile on iPhone and iPad. Open the device settings. Scroll down and tap on Safari. In the Profiles section, tap on New Profile. Choose your new profile's name, icon, and background color. Under Settings, select a Favorites folder or create a new one. Select the Open New Tabs option to automatically decide which tabs you want to open when using this profile. Tap Done. Under Extensions, select the ones you want to use with this profile. If you want to delete a profile, tap Delete Profile and confirm the action. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. How to change profiles in Safari on iPhone and iPad. Open Safari browser on iPhone or iPad. In the left top corner of the window, click on a selected profile name. Select Profiles and, from the menu, select the profile name you want to switch to. How to set up a Safari profile on Mac. Launch Safari. Click on Safari in the top menu bar and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Profiles tab. Click the Start Using Profiles or the plus button. Enter the profile name. Choose an icon to represent your profile. Pick a background color for your profile. Click Create Profile to save. Select an existing favorites folder or create a new one to keep your bookmarks organized. Choose which tabs will automatically open when you use this profile. To delete the profile, select it, click the minus icon and confirm the action. In the Extensions section, select the extensions you want to use with this profile. How to change profiles in Safari on Mac. Open the Safari browser. In the left corner of the window, click on a selected profile name. Click Switch to Profile Name Window or New Profile Name Window from the menu. This step will switch your profiles. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.